Hi friends, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Just tap on that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of all of my uploads. Today, I am participating in an open collaboration titled My Vintage Heart Valentine. This collaboration is being hosted by two lovely ladies, Anna from the GraceLife DIY Home Decor and Antonette from Antonette Decorating. Please go over and show them some love. This is a list of the other co-hosts that are participating in this collaboration. I will leave their names in the description box below. Please visit their channels and show them some love. My inspiration for this vintage tablescape was this bust that I've had for many, many years, and I purchased her from Goodwill. I think she's absolutely beautiful. I'm also using this pink Dusty Rose tablecloth that I purchased from Goodwill many, many years ago, and I think it's perfect for this tablescape. I purchased some tulle from Hobby Lobby to create a layered look with rose petals. I think it's very, very romantic and charming. Are you ready to get this party started? Well, let's begin. I visited my neighborhood Goodwill in hopes of trying to find some inspiration to help me put this tablescape together. Well, as I was exiting the store, I looked on the rack, and there was this bridal veil for $6.99. I didn't know exactly what I was going to do with it, but I knew I had to have it. Then the wheels started turning in my head that I could use it on the bus, and that's exactly what I did. And I think she turned out really, really beautiful. I knew I needed something to go underneath the bridal veil, so I visited Hobby Lobby and I purchased a pink tutu. Yes, a tutu for $4.99. So the pink that you're seeing, that's what that is, a tutu. And I used my bracelet and a necklace around the bottom part to make it look like a belt, and the top around her neck was a bracelet that I had also many, many years ago. And I just think it came together so beautifully. I just love the details along the edging of the veil. Absolutely gorgeous. Tell me what you think. The glass charger plates were purchased at HomeGoods. I purchased the dinnerware set last year from a thrift store. It came in a set of 7 dinner plates, 7 salad plates, and 6 saucers for a total of $15. I think they're absolutely beautiful. I purchased the salad plate last year from HomeGoods. The candle bus was recently purchased at HomeGoods. The white macaroon with the crown on the top is actually an ornament for Christmas, and I purchased it after Christmas sale at TJ Maxx. Came in a box of 6 for $3.50. The cup and saucer was purchased from Amazon about 4 years ago. I absolutely love the crown on the inside of the cup. I think it's royal. I've had this vintage shoe for many years, and I know I thrifted that also from a thrift store. And the pillow cover came from a thrift store as well. I'd like to wish you and your family a very happy new year. May the Lord bless you with long life, good health, and prosperity. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give me a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be notified of all of my uploads. Thanks again for watching. Take good care, and I'll talk to you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.